Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. This is the HANSILK double electric hands-free breast pump, and it is an amazing option. You guys, this is lightweight, it's wearable, it is truly hands-free technology. It's going to make sure that you are able to spend more time with your newborn and you are able to pump comfortably. One of the best things about this system is that there's rechargeable batteries, which is just great, and it's really, really easy to clean. Again, saving you more time so you can spend your time doing the things that really matter. This pump is really cool. It's got an easy to read LCD screen and it goes through 9 different settings, so you're gonna be able to find something that is really gonna work for you to produce the most milk and do it in a way that is really comfortable. One of the greatest things about this is that there's not just a pumping mode, there is also a massage mode. The massage mode is good for 3 different things. 1 is going to improve your circulation, 2, it is going to massage and alleviate sore breast, and 3, it is going to help aid your milk production, which is going to make it easier when you do switch over to pumping mode. You're gonna have better performance and better results. You guys go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really glad you did. It is a great option and it's going to definitely aid you in your breastfeeding journey. So I encourage you to check it out.